Okay, guys, so I really did not plan on doing a vlog, but I'm just gonna go anyway, and I'm just gonna take you guys to a dollar store here in Quebec. I'm just gonna go shop stuff for Valentine's Day to do like a DIY photo shoot with my daughter. Both of them with my daughters anyway. So we're just gonna go and pick some stuff because I don't see the point of going anywhere else but dollar store for this. It's just gonna be a DIY project, and we're gonna pick stuff, and then after that I'm gonna show you guys like some ideas that you can use to do photo shoot with your kids at home, especially in Quebec because the weather is crazy. But if you're looking for ideas for things to do at home with your babies, got you. Okay, we're gonna go shopping. We're gonna go and grab some stuff and just do some pictures projects. It's snowing here. You should got my face, y'all. I'm not in the mood. But okay, at the moment I have to go out. So Michaela is at the back, and she's just gonna be helping us in the store quickly. Alright, see you. Just got to the dollar store. This looks it look like outside. Too much snow, guys. Too much snow. I was driving the snow since this morning, and it is what it is. This is nice.
Yes, the moon.
We should do this one. Maybe I should come later for eggs for.
This is for me now.
Okay, later. We can get it later. Okay.
One is
But you already have those in your house.
candy. Mama, daddy, mama. Look.
Okay. I don't want Hey guys, so good morning. I'm ready to set up for the Valentine's Day shoot. If you saw the vlog where I went to go shop, you know. So I'm just gonna show you guys what we have going on, and it's just gonna be a quick DIY on budget. Okay, let's go. Okay, so Michaela is done with the balloon. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna use the balloon in a second. Okay, so right now this is one of Nuria's feet. We're gonna do like a photo for Nuria just herself, and I'm just gonna use these things and this. And so this one is for Michaela, and this one is Nuria's. This one is mine. And here we have some stuff from the dollar store. We're gonna be using. I got this one at the dollar store.
Yes, c'est le chocolat.
This is for Nuria.
Huh?
Okay.
This is for
Okay, so this a side of our living room. So I'm just gonna be putting the balloon on the wall like that and make it like a backdrop. Okay. Make it as quick as possible.
Last time you know the truth, I think it's just meant for you.